Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen appliance that simplifies meal prep and cooking like never before. Imagine replacing multiple gadgets with just one. This 9-in-1 multi-cooker truly does it all. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more. It's perfect for anyone looking to save counter space and streamline their kitchen. With 15 customizable smart programs, dinner is just a touch away. Whether you're making soups, stews, or even baking a cake, yes, it bakes too. This intuitive design makes healthy cooking easy for busy families and beginners alike. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot isn't just durable. It ensures even heating and is super easy to clean, unlike non-stick alternatives that scratch over time. This quality construction is what sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart from cheaper alternatives. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience, check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon using the link in the description below. Its versatility and robust build mean you're investing in a single appliance that will revolutionize your meal times for years to come, making it a clear contender for the best kitchen gadget of 2025. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-buy.